Namaste and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be creating this look. If you want to see how to achieve this look, please keep on watching. Before we get into the video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Hi guys, welcome to today's video. I'm going to go ahead and take these eye patches from G9 and I'm going to put them under my eyes. For priming my eyes, I'm going to take this MAC's Paint Pot in the shade Soft Ochre. And I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyes. And I'm using the BH Cosmetics number 11 brush. Then I'm just going to take my finger and pat the product, just so I have an even coverage. For my eyes today, I'm going to use the Sultry palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm going to set my eyelids using this shade. I'm using a Morphe 504, and I'm going to take this all over my lid. These eye patches are perfect because they'll also catch any fallout you might have. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take this shade on a Morphe 330 and I'm going to take this just in my crease. I'm going to start building that color up little by little. Next, using a Morphe 535, I'm going to go into this shade right here. And I'm going to take this color almost to my brow bone, very lightly. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take this shade right here. I'm just going to take it on my finger. And I'm going to just take it on my eyelid. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to take that big brush one more time and blend everything out. From the same palette, I'm going to go into this shade right here, and I'm just going to take it on my brow bone just to highlight it. Now let's go ahead and take these off. I'm going to go ahead and pat the rest of the product in. To start off with my face, I'm going to take this Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. I'm going to go ahead and apply it all over my face using my fingers. I love using this product, especially in the winter time, because it makes your skin look so smooth. It hydrates it and makes it look like you drink a lot of water. I'm going to go ahead and color correct using this BR Cosmetics color corrector. And I'm going to go ahead and buff it out using a Morphe 173. This corrector is actually not as pigmented as I thought, so I'm going to take some more of it. Once that's all buffed out, I'm going to go ahead and take my foundation. For my foundation today, I'm going to go ahead and use the YSL All Hours, and I'm in the shade BD50. I'm going to go ahead and apply this foundation using a damp beauty blender. For contouring, I'm going to use this Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick in the shade Espresso. I'm going to buff out my contour using the Real Techniques brush. For concealer today, I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty in the shade 260. Using a damp beauty blender, I'm going to blend it out. I'm going to take my translucent powder from Laura Mercier and I'm going to set under my eyes. I'm using this BH Cosmetics number 4 brush. I'm going to take some of it in my smile lines as well. For my lower lash line, I'm going to go into this shade right here. Using a Real Techniques flat brush, I'm going to take this on my lower lash line. Next, using the same brush, I'm going to go into this shade right here. I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line and I'm going to connect the upper and the lower lash line right here. For my bronzer today, I'm going to take this MAC's Give Me Sun. I'm taking this bronzer wherever we've contoured already. I'm just going to bronze up my skin a little bit more. So for my eyeliner today, I'm going to take this Smashbox liquid eyeliner. For my lashes today, I'm going to go ahead and use this Allura Lite from House of Lashes. For my lips today, I'm going to go ahead and line my lips using this MAC's lip liner in the shade Burgundy. I'm going to use this lipstick from Pat McGrath in the shade Elson. For my blush today, I'm going to use this NARS Outlaw. For my highlighter today, I'm going to take this Melly Cosmetics in the shade Stardust. And using a Morphe 501, I'm going to take this highlighter on the top of my cheekbones. For mascara today, I'm going to take this Lash Paradise from L'Oreal and I'm going to take it on my lower lash line. To finish up this look, I'm going to take my all-nighter from Urban Decay. And here's today's finished look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you next time. Ciao.